beaten and gifting. Wow, that is a big crash. Oh! Oh, Facchetti over the bars. Oh, and then Beniston, as he was challenging Boiramé for second. Here in Beniston, your race one winner is off the bike, 198. Fernandez throws himself down the track, just got it wrong on the takeoff. Oh, man down, men down, Beaton and Beniston. Conrad Muse, but the Kawasaki tried to jump the gun. Oh, that looks like Guadagnini going out the front door and getting nailed by the rest of the field. Ah, Rizzi around the outside of a fallen rider there. Fixed on the leader, but it was... Whoa. And hits, and who's that upside down? Well, Beaton collects it. Oh, it's gifting. And we've got riders down. Look at that. Kai de Wolf couldn't avoid him. Big crash. Already making moves around his teammate and looking to... Oh, and he's up the side of the track. First lap for Beniston, down. Watch this here. Just jumped up the side of the track and then just grabbed a handful of throttle, chucked him down the track. So 21.5 minutes. Oh, Beniston down over the bars. Oh, he says, "G'day, mate." Gets to the inside here and he goes down. Vial out of third. Well, he's in third. Oh, scrub, and carried on scrubbing the floor as he landed. Not ideal for Panzer. Renault gets squeezed to the inside, and he goes down. Here is De Wolf! Wow, he changed his line last minute and forced Renault wide. That has cost the championship leader a handful of positions and points. But, Vial came down the inside, absolutely just tried to run. Oh, Sandner. 7.